What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent Holdings with the ticker symbol 700. I'll be first doing the technical analysis on the daily chart and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So here is Tencent Holdings using the Hong Kong Stock Exchange ticker symbol 700 because the over-the-counter one, the one trades during the New York session, has a lot of gaps, lower volatility. This one has much more volume and there's less gaps on the chart, so it's prints on the chart, the price prints on the chart cleaner. So let's take a look at the daily chart first. What stands out to me the most, just going back to October of last year, is this huge pump up higher. So you see that I can represent that with this channel. So there was this huge move up higher, and I can also put an arrow for that move up higher. And then what happened after that? Basically, the price made two legs down in the form of a bunch of waves. So you can see there was a wave right here, this wave pattern. Price went up and then formed another wave down. So basically that's just two legs down, more cleaner looking. So let's clone that. So shorts basically don't have a lot of incentive left because the target is already met and we bounced off a key level. So this level right here that the measure move was at 310 was prior strong support. So you can see that prices bounced here, here, here. It broke down lower, came back up, found resistance, and then prices pumped up through this level and came back to test it for support once again. So this is definitely a support level. Measure move is met, and we saw prices just shot right through the EMA. So this is a reversal sign. However, it's not guaranteed we're going to reverse. So since we had a huge pump up, two legs down, that can mark the center of the pattern for another pump up higher. And if we don't go any lower, or let's just say this is the bottom at the 306 level, then the target for Tencent would be the 536 based on this 700 ticker symbol chart. So we'll see if that can be obtained. Right now, what I don't like about it is that this pump up is kind of weak looking, but it could be just at a slow start to get to that target. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, we saw the bulls are trying to reach the highs of this channel right here, because after the break of a channel, we will usually see two attempts at that extreme. So this is the first attempt to reach that high. Prices went down lower. This is the second and last attempt. So I'm expecting this to work out because we have two legs down, bounced off a strong support, and normally these highs are reached for channels. So we'll see if it can be reached. Another good sign for the bulls is that they have this support right here that was created at the 330 level. So let me go and erase all this stuff to clear the chart up. So you can see how well this 330 level is acting as support. It was only broken once barely, and then another time that was a failed breakout because prices came back in and found support. So this could just be a leg up. We could just be a small correction and then continuation towards the upside. So that's what I'm expecting to occur. I think there's a high probability of that occurring. I think the shorts don't have a lot to go off of. So it looks like the bulls could be taking the lead any second now. So that's all I have for Tencent on the daily chart. Here is Tencent on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, it's a little bit different. We have this downtrend that traders are also looking at. So you can clearly see that the major pattern is still downward. So this is downward channel in play. So connect the swings. This fits pretty good against the price action. You can see there was a little fake breakout here on the channel, but prices came back in and started respecting it. So either way, prices were in this downtrend channel, and then it made two legs down. So you can see there was one large leg down here. Second large leg started from here, almost reached it. Price stopped at the 192 level. Target was at the 152. We saw a strong push up higher right over here, and now prices are still in the indecision area. So who's gonna win out? Is it gonna be the bears or the bulls? So let me go and put the key level on here at the 310 316 level. So this was obviously previous strong support. So what the market participants are doing is, let me go and put the channel icon here. So we have this uptrend channel. It's going to keep it orange. So after breaks of channels, we expect pushes in the same direction as the trend, or attempt at reaching the prior extremes. So sellers are trying to come back to this prior low in the channel the bulls are trying to come back up to this prior high. So who's going to win out? So it looks like shorts already tried 2 times to reach it. So we saw them try once right here, twice. Market moves in twos. So this could be a failure from the shorts for higher prices. However, the bulls tried once, and this is the second time. It looks like the second time could be failing too. So we'll see what can occur. I think what's likely to occur is a short trap, meaning shorts enter right over here, thinking the longs are trapped, and then the bulls come back in the market and run their stops. So we could do a higher low situation. So let me go and erase all the drawings. So like I said before, what we can do is come back down a little bit lower and then start reversing higher. So that's very likely to occur. I would say the worst situation is prices getting back below this low right here. That would be not a good sign for Tencent. So if it gets below the 310 level, then that's really not a good sign. We can go probably back down to the lows of the downtrend. But since it's staying above this level, there's still that opportunity for the buyers to trap the shorts to get that push up higher. So right now, we need to see prices strongly reverse any second now. Then that would be a very bullish sign. If not, then like I said before, we could be coming back down to this prior low. So that's all I have for Tencent on the daily and weekly charts. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.